Bienvenido a la semana 7.5 y buenos días. So welcome to week, I call it 7.5 since we do not have a full week. And actually you are getting this halfway through week 7. So it is a very short week. There are just a few things that you need to do. Okay, so los objetivos y más, really, this is kind of a wrap-up week. So you will be studying for your oral exam. You will complete the course evaluation form found in my ASU. You're going to take the quiz on Blackboard for February 28th. So this is a different due date. It's actually due on Tuesday. Okay, you'll comment on the cultural presentations of 2 of your classmates. Okay, you've done that before. Okay, but this will be, everybody will be turning it in by Sunday night. So if you want to get ahead, if there's anybody that turned in their cultural presentation early, then you can go ahead and look into those earlier. Okay, and another reminder to complete the course evaluation form. Doing these evaluations online have proved problematic because the respondents rate is usually not very good. So please, please, please fill that out. Okay, so la lista de tareas. You'll watch this Vista General video that I'm recording currently. You have already taken a quiz over the vital signs part 1. Now you're going to be doing part 2. Okay, and it will be in the quiz folder below. Okay, and again, you're going to comment on at least 2 different presentations by February 28th. You'll go to my ASU to complete the course evaluation. And if you have not yet done so by Friday, February 24th, please sign up for the oral exam. Several people have not done so yet. Just a few have. Okay. So the quiz, okay, if I click on the quiz, you'll see that it's over Los Signos Vitales 2. So you'll watch the presentación, and then you'll click on the quiz as always, and you'll be given 10 expressions like always in English, and you'll give the Spanish. Okay. And as always, I will grade those individually. Okay. The next thing is the cultural contact presentation number 2. These are the comments. And again, you'll be commenting on what you liked about the presentation, what you think could be improved for next time, and what you learned from it. And as the first one, this is going to be part of your, not really your homework grade. I apologize, I'll have to correct that. It will be part of your participation grade. Okay. Also here we have, again, if you have not signed up yet for the final oral, please do so here by clicking on the Google Calendar link. And you will find both attached as well as listed here the instructions for the final oral exam. Now, they will be given on Monday and Tuesday of next week, el 27, 28 de febrero de 2017. And so, again, it's going to be 10 to 15 minutes. We'll use the Connect, Adobe Connect. Okay. Make sure that you're on Arizona time. And the exam is not going to be very different from what the midterm was. There will be a first part of vocabulario. Okay, so this will be over the vital signs parts 1 and 2. And I will choose 10 of those words in English, and you'll give me the Spanish translation without looking them up. The second part will be another role play. So I'm going to use the same dialogue rubric that you're familiar with. And it will be one of the conversations covered between weeks 5 and 7. So that's dialogues 5 through 8. I'll select one of those that we will act out. Okay. So the recursos folder has a couple of things that you may want to look into. One of which is talking about ser and estar, and the other is hablar por teléfono en español. Okay. So those are some useful expressions if you need to speak over the phone. Okay. So please let me know, as always, if you have any questions. But again, this is going to be a very short week, so there's no My Spanish Lab to have to worry about. You're basically wrapping up and preparing for the oral and doing your course evaluations. Let me know if you have any questions. Déjenme saber si tienen preguntas y buena suerte.